Hi friends, welcome back to the Healing Club. If you've been following my journey, you know that I'm always looking for the root cause and natural ways to help our bodies and our kids heal. Today, we're diving into something fascinating, a powerful drug called Suramin and its surprising connection to pine needles. How can something developed over 100 years ago be helping us understand new ways to calm inflammation, improve communication in autism, and even support autoimmune healing? Let's explore this together. What is Suramin? Suramin was first created in 1916 by Bayer Laboratories in Germany. It's a synthetic compound, not something directly found in nature, but it's based on complex organic structures very similar to what we find in plant chemistry. It was originally used to treat African sleeping sickness and river blindness, both caused by parasites. That's right. Suramin is actually one of the world's first antiparasitic drugs, but what makes it even more interesting is that research has discovered it also affects cell communication and inflammation. Suramin and autism. In 2017, Dr. Robert Navio at UC San Diego ran a small study using low-dose Suramin with children diagnosed with autism. Within hours, some parents noticed changes: more eye contact, clearer speech, calmer behavior. Now, it's important to say this carefully. That study was very small, and Suramin is not an approved treatment for autism. But what it showed us is that autism may involve a metabolic communication problem, what Dr. Navio calls the cell danger response. When the body and brain stay stuck in danger mode from toxins, infections, parasites, or chronic stress, the cells stop communicating properly. Suramin helped those cells talk again. That's powerful. How it works: reducing inflammation. Suramin works by blocking something called purinergic signaling. Basically, when the body sends out danger signals using ATP molecules. When those signals calm down, the body releases fewer inflammatory cytokines like interleukin-6, tumor necrosis factor alpha, and interleukin-1 beta. These cytokines are what keep the immune system on constant alert, the fire alarms of the body. In autism and autoimmune disorders, that fire alarm can get stuck on. Suramin helps turn it down. It helps calm the system, letting healing begin. The pine needle connection. Now here's where it gets even more beautiful. People often say Suramin was made from pine needles. Technically, that's not true. Suramin is synthetic, but the connection comes from nature's chemistry. White pine needles, especially from the eastern white pine, contain amazing natural compounds like shikimic acid terpenes such as alpha-pinene and beta-pinene flavonoids and proanthocyanidins. All of these help reduce inflammation, block COX-2 enzymes, and lower cytokine levels. That means they help quiet the same pathways Suramin targets, but naturally and gently. Pine needle tea and extracts have been used for centuries to support immune health, detox, and even parasite cleansing. Why this matters for healing autism and autoimmune issues. Both autism and autoimmune conditions share common ground: chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and a body that's struggling to shut off the alarm system. When we lower inflammation, whether through Suramin in a medical setting or through natural anti-inflammatory compounds like those in pine needles, we're giving the body permission to heal. This isn't about one miracle pill. It's about understanding how the body speaks and how we can quiet the storm so the real healing can happen. As a mom, I've learned that healing takes curiosity, love, and faith, not fear. Suramin shows us what's possible through science. Pine needles remind us that nature already had the blueprint. Together, they point to a simple truth. When we calm inflammation, we create the space for communication, connection, and peace. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with another parent who's on their healing journey. And remember, I'm not a doctor. I'm just a mom sharing what I've learned through research and experience. Subscribe to the Healing Club for more discoveries like this, and let's keep finding the root cause together.